what you're doing is you're running YouTube open in the same browser as you are with StreamYards, and you have that open. So that's an open mic source, and then you have an open mic source. Even though you mute it, StreamYard is reading YouTube because you're playing it from YouTube, and YouTube is also playing, so they're going to conflict with each other. So all you need to do is open your open YouTube when because you're going to broadcast to YouTube, correct?
Yeah, because I wanted to simplify it as much as possible,
Well,
right? Like, go ahead.
no. Here's what you do, man. Open up the YouTube page that you want to broadcast with. Okay.
On a
So
separate browser, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now only here's what I want you to do. Close all browsers except for StreamYard and one YouTube page.
All right, so
Okay.
refresh.
Now what? Now you still had that video up in that tab, right?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. Reload it. Same thing. Click share, audio share. Go to your Chrome browser. Boom. Click that link and open it up again.
Done.
Okay. Now I'm gonna mute myself, and then you're
Hmm.
gonna mute yourself and play the video, and it should be rock solid. If it's not, I have no damn clue what's going on, man.
Yeah.
But
You.
you have YouTube muted in the background, right? Where
I
the chat
absolutely
is at?
where the chat is at. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now just play it and the damn thing should just like roll right through now.
All right, here we go. So, by the way, you've been a lot more help than the StreamYard guy, just so you know. That's it, man.
There you go,
That's the
bro.
one. That's how you do it.
Exactly.
How is it? Did you just like troubleshoot all kinds of stuff to get this to
I
work?
figured all this shit out on my own, bro. I had to. Through trial and error. It's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
do it the same way every time, and if you're watching out, always check to see if you have audio echo cancellation. When you
Mm-hmm.
have more than two or three guests on, and if they're not
Mm-hmm.
wearing cans, you might get some wash and some echo feedback from their speakers. So
Mm-hmm.
you either need to have them turn down their speakers or put on a set of cans or earbuds, or you may just have a bogus show, and everybody should be willing to accommodate your show. So if they have cans, make them wear cans.
Yeah.
If they're screwing around, but here's what I want you to do: if you have multiples of links to do, put them in a notepad. Right?
Yeah.
This is how I set up my show. Notepad, right? That you can
Yeah, yeah,
put
on the
and
computer.
copy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go in there, copy and paste all your links, all the names of the links. You see how when Ian throws out the links, it has all the information on it?
Yes.
That's how it should look. Okay, so when you save it, all you're doing is when you go to your banners, you put in the description in your banner, okay, and then
Uh-huh.
you put the link up in the StreamYard browser. I have 8 browsers open at one time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that all holds the next song in succession of each other. So my
Gotcha.
first song up will be slot one, boom, 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 boom.
This is a lot of work, bro.
No shit,
Crazy,
right?
man. Yeah, it's so much. So much.
You tell him,
freaking
man.
work.
Hey, man. Now you got a taste of the hippie, right? Now you understand my. So now you see why. Remember when I came in and I seemed like I got agitated at you one time for mentioning this and mentioning that? It's like,
I
Joel,
have no idea.
if you knew, bro, if you knew what the
Yeah.
hell I'm doing over here. Every song
Oh
I have to
man.
do this, bro. Every damn song. But I've learned to set them up 8 at a time, and
Mhm.
then when I get a real long video, like 6 minutes, I know
Yep.
I can load up another 5 videos real quick within that 6 minutes. And
Mhm.
within 2 minutes, I can load up 6 videos. I've
Yeah.
just gotten that quick at it, but it just
Gotcha.
takes time. But you
Man,
have to learn.
three's taking a while, and we're chatting, and I'm working.
Well,
Okay, so
you're new at it, but if you do the
yeah.
system the way I do it, bro, you'll be boom boom. Anything that uses a Wi-Fi signal, if when I'm broadcasting, like my phone, I shut it off because that's the only thing I share it with my Wi-Fi. Because
Yeah.
I don't have a plan. What I have is the pay-as-you-go kind of thing.
Mhm.
So what that is that's the only thing I have set up the Wi-Fi in my house. So I buy the cheapest one. I don't need the gigs. Why? Because I'm using Wi-Fi in my home. I never
Mhm.
really leave my phones or my home, so I just use the cheapest card plan that I can get, which is $35 a month. So
Right.
that's cool. But when I'm broadcasting, if I see my Wi-Fi signal dipping, I just turn my phone off completely,
Mhm.
or I just turn the Wi-Fi off on my phone. And that, so if you have a lot of open sources and you're primarily using Wi-Fi and you're not direct connected to your router, you know what I'm saying? You're going to
Yeah.
have issues like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
if your wife is over there running and watching the stream at the same time you are, hogging the resources from the stream, that may, or from your router, that may cause you issues and stuff. So if you ever need help, just let me know. If you get lost in the fog somewhere with figured you forgot something, just
Yeah.
let me know.
You
And
know, you definitely answered the question, man. Honestly, I reached out to StreamYard, and the guy was just like, put everything. This is what he said. He said, put everything in an incognito tab. That was his answer. And I said, no, that doesn't work. It kept dropping. And he's like, then it's your system. And I was like, but my
no, it's not.
system's running smoothly. Like it's not. And so we kept going back and forth. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna test it out today. And I got online about 2 hours ago, and I just started messing with things. And so in my opinion, this is the better way, because what I was doing before, I researched, and another thing you can do is just upload an already downloaded video that you have. Like if I have, like let's say you sent me a video of you playing guitar in an MP
Yeah,
format, then I just upload it and then I just play it from there, and that's fine. But there's a limit. It can't be. It
yeah,
has to be a certain amount. It can't be full HD, and that's a lot. That's a lot to consider. And then
yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna work. So to me, this is perfect. And
You
man,
want
you
to
were
put
more help. You were
Yeah,
more help than the
you want to
StreamYard
put your
guy.
people. You want to put the people that you're having on your show through the least amount of stress possible.
Yeah,
And
of course.
how do you do that? You have to know what the hell you're doing, Joe.
Yeah. You know what? I told the
But
guys, I was like, because Adam asked me. Adam was one of the participants, and he's like, "Do you need me to send the MP4?" And I was like, "Nah, man. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna play it straight out of YouTube." And then it started playing, and then all of a sudden, boom, the drop, and I was like, "What is that?" And everybody
now,
was like, "It
do
sounds
you see
so, it
how
sounds far away or whatever."
leave your interface where it's at right now? If you know where
Hmm.
if you know you're going live on YouTube,
Hmm.
check where you're at right now. Remember your settings. Boom, set it
Hmm.
that way because you sound fine, man. You sound perfectly fine. I don't know how I'm sounding to you. Am I booming or
It's
do I
perfect.
sound like nice and mellow or what?
It sounds perfect. When I
Yeah.
when
See,
I
you're
switch
not
over, because
booming
I have,
or anything.
mhm, I have
You're not.
buds, right? So whenever I
Yeah.
I listen to it, it sounds perfect. It sounds normal.
Yeah.
It sounds
So
like you're in the room with me.
yeah,
So that's great.
you could probably go up just a tad, but right where
Hmm.
you're at is very clear and audible, mellow. Doesn't really need to go up at all, to be honest with you. You can stay where you're at, and I think people would understand everything you're saying.
Let's keep it going,
Sweet.
man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate it.
You
I'm
got
gonna
it?
wait for that email. I'm gonna send you that shirt. Thank you, man.
Sweet.
God bless you, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, man.
Awesome, bro.
Peace
Peace
out,
out.
brother.